Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have two coins from the United States of America. They're both 25 cents and they're the last of this year's ladies or women's quarters from the 2022 series. We have another 5 next year, but this last one is a lady called Anna May Wong. She was born Wong Ling Sang on the 3rd of the 1st 1905 in LA. She died on the 3rd of the 2nd 1961 in Santa Monica. Her height was 1.16 and Anna May Wong had two siblings, Mary Wong and Lu Ying, sorry. She was a Chinese American actress and she was the first to appear in US films and also on the coins. Her first film was during the silent era in 1922 called The Toll of the Sea. In 1924 she starred in The Thief of Baghdad with Douglas Fairbanks. In 1928 she left for Europe and starred in Piccadilly films, I believe, of Piccadilly. A film called Piccadilly in 1929. In 1931 it was Daughter of the Dragon. In 1934 Java Head. 1937 was Daughter of Shanghai. That one was with Marlene Dietrich. In Joseph von Sternberg Shanghai Express in 1932. She took out some time to go to look at the Chinese and their culture. In 1951 she starred in her own TV show, The Gallery of Madame Lu Song. It was the first American Asian series on TV. She was looking to return to film in 1961 in a film called Flower Dream Song when she died of a heart attack at the age of 56. Now, Flower Dream Song originally was a Rodgers and Hammerstein production. She had a long and varied career and she's the 5th of this year's nominees and the 5th that was brought out as portraits for this series. A worthy person to do so? Yeah, I think so. Anybody who holds many firsts deserves recognition. So, have you had these coins? Have you put them all in your sets yet? There are silver versions of these that come out in a set, which are from the San Francisco Mint. These two are the Philadelphia and Denver ones for my collection. I have already started to order the 2023 series of coins. That one contains, if I remember rightly, what is the 2023 series. I've just got my little notebook out here, which are already, you can pre-order them, and I have done so for both the Denver and Philadelphia mints. Are Bessie Coleman, Yvita Ida, Edith Canali Oli, and that's the spelling of that is Edith, and it's K-A-N-A-K-A and then O-L-E. The fourth one is one that most people will recognise, which is Eleanor Roosevelt, and the last one is Maria Tallchief. Of the 5. Now, I'm not sure in which order they're going to be released as yet, although I'm hoping to find out, and I will get that news to you as soon as I can. I have enjoyed this series this year, and I hope to continue next year. Have any of you got any comments? Have anybody else been collecting this series? I'm not sure it's as popular as the state series was, or the national park series. However, as I said, I am enjoying it, and I'm enjoying finding out a little bit more about American culture and ladies who led that culture. It's forced me to reassess and research, because some of the names didn't mean anything to me until such time as I did the research on them, and they certainly flew under the radar of my knowledge, so I'm grateful for that, if nothing else. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, for me, thank you for watching, and until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, bye bye now. Ta-da!